Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your password on the Facebook application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth option. Click on this three dots icon next to the edit profile button. Scroll down till you find the view privacy shortcuts section and click on it. Scroll down to the account security section and tap on the second option, change your password. Here you should type in your current password and then your new password. After that, tap on Save Changes and then you will be able to change your password. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.